5-minute scalping strategy using a buy-sell indicator, which will be discussed in this video, is highly profitable and very easy to use. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. If you are a beginner or an experienced trader but still struggling to find an easy-to-use scalping strategy, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, we will provide you with a 5-minute scalping method that is very easy to use and highly profitable. We will use two of the best free buy-sell indicators available on Tradingview. We will also demonstrate how to use this scalping strategy on the gold pair or XAUUSD using a 5-minute time frame. However, aside from being applicable to gold scalping, you can also use this strategy for other assets such as Forex, crypto, and more. We will make this video very comprehensive and detailed so it's easy to understand. So, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss other information we'll share. Let's get started. To use this trading strategy, you can start by accessing Tradingview. Then, set the pair to XAUUSD. After that, adjust the time frame to 5 minutes. Next, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type TUEADXMACD Confluence. After that, select the ADXMACD Confluence indicator from Trader's Ultimate. Then, proceed to configure this indicator. In the Input tab, uncheck the option for Show Candle Colors. Next, adjust the settings as follows. Change the ADX length value to 100. Change the ADX smoothing value to 50. Change the MACD fast length value to 14. Change the MACD slow length value to 27. Change the MACD signal length value to 100. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the option for Plot Candle. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This ADXMACD Confluence indicator will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Using this indicator is very simple, you just need to follow the signals shown by the indicator. If a buy signal appears, it indicates a buy signal. If a sell signal appears, it indicates a sell signal. However, before placing an order, you must first confirm the signals shown by the indicator. To confirm the signals from the ADXMACD Confluence indicator, add one more indicator that we will use. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Trend Alert. Then, select the Trend Alert indicator from this creator. For the Trend Alert indicator, leave it on the default settings. This Trend Alert indicator will serve as a confirmation filter in the market. If the Trend Alert bar is green, it indicates a bullish confirmation. If the Trend Alert bar is red, it indicates a bearish confirmation. To explain further, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using these indicators. How to place a sell order. If the ADXMACD Confluence indicator gives a sell signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing an order. Ensure the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. Confirm that the Trend Alert indicator shows a bearish confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the latest high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. How to place a sell order. If the ADXM-ACD Confluence indicator gives a sell signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing an order. Ensure the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. Confirm that the trend alert indicator shows a bearish confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the latest high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2. How to place a buy order. If the ADXM-ACD Confluence indicator gives a buy signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing an order. Ensure the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. Confirm that the trend alert indicator shows a bullish confirmation. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the latest low. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Always maintain proper money management and your trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.